Check out this 2006 Porsche Cayenne. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Call today to schedule a test drive.